friends, welcome back to the tutorial on this crazy comet. In the first tutorial we saw that how to align the sides, and after aligning the sides verify whether all the sides have been completed. So for that we have to see this valley of golden color. Everywhere we have to find that, and I think we have completed this. Now in this tutorial I am going to show you how to align these particular sides to their respective centers. Now just find out any one which is aligned so that we can continue from there. So I think this one is not yes, red and baby orange, green. So here also it is aligned. Now this purple and blue we have to arrange. We have to see whether it is available in this plane. Oh, blue and purple is here. It has to come over here. Now I will show you the algorithm how to shift these two sides. Hold this cube and these two sides should face to us. So with this I will going to rotate this twice like this, down, down, and this one up. Its opposite side should be up. Now turn 180 degree like this and take it up. Take this up, move twice. See, the sides are shifted from one place to other place. Now this blue and baby purple we can take here. Just go on doing like this. Now these three have aligned. Now I have to align blue and red. See where it is, blue and red. Blue and red is here. It has to come over here. So hold like this, turn twice, go up, take up, 180 degree turn, down, up, twice, and twice. This blue and red is aligned. Now look here, if I rotate this, it will come over here, but this will distort. That's why I will take it back and turn this 180 degree, match it and turn like this. See, all these four sides are completed. Now what I am going to do is I will complete this face, and this face, this face. Don't worry for this corner pieces. If we try to align their respective corner pieces, it is going to be jumbled anyway. So at present we need not bother about this. Now I am going to complete this face. Now here this baby purple and yellow, I have to search where it is. It is not in this plane. It may be somewhere else. Where it is, we have to find out. Here it is. It has to come to this plane. So take one more rotation. Now it has to come over here so that in this plane it is there. So shift these two sides. Don't bother whether it is aligned or not. Later it will be aligned itself. We have to go on doing like this so that we will complete the respective sides with their centers. Now take this yellow. See, three sides are aligned. Now baby purple and white. Baby purple and white is here. It has to be in this plane. So again it has to be shifted. Hold like this, turn twice, turn twice, up, opposite side up, 180 degree, down, down, 2 times and 2 times. Now this purple and white has to come over here. There is no other side, so we need not have to bother. Just take it up. So one phase is completed. Don't bother about these corners. Later we will solve it, and that will be most easiest. Now blue and white, dark blue and white, it is here. It has to come to this place. So it is here, I have to shift here. Hold like this, hold like this, up, opposite side up, turn 180 degree, now this white blue, where it is, which one we are, now blue and white has come here, so we have to take it up. So blue and orange, it is here. Take one more turn, blue and orange. Blue and orange has to come to this plane. Blue and orange. This is aligned, but this is not aligned. So what I will do is I will take this back and I will bring the non-aligned face here, and I will take like this. Now if I shift here, it will come over here like this. Now if you rotate this, this will be aligned. There is no problem. Now I will take this up. Blue and orange. Now we have to bring this white and purple back. Already we have done this face, we have to go on retaining it. Now blue and white, it is here. I think we have aligned this, and we have to simply bring. Now this is aligned. You take this side, take this up so that they are in same plane. Now white. Now this is white and green. It is here. I have to bring it in this place so that it will be in this plane. Turn, 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 180 degree turn. Now I have to take it up. So first let me take this pink and white to its place, then this has to be taken here. So 3 phases we have completed. Now let me complete this green phase has to be completed. Green and purple, where it is, green and purple. It is here. Take it up, nearest place, green and purple. So it has to come to this place. That means I have to shift this. Little thinking is required where it has to be placed and how it has to be rotated. But it is very easy. Now take it up like this. Now green and orange, green and orange, where it is. Green and orange is here, but we have to take this like this, then okay, take like this, bring this to the place, white face is completed. Now this is green and orange. Now green and pink has to be placed here. Green and pink is already in this plane, only we have to shift here. For that, this is aligned, you take it back so that the white face should not be disturbed. Now take this up and turn it. So green is completed, blue is completed, white and purple already we have done, but it has gone somewhere, we have to bring that back. Yes. Now we are almost coming to the completion. Now this pink and blue should come over here. So turn it. It is already aligned. This is also already aligned. Okay. Now if we keenly observe, this red and orange has to come over here. First we will take that. Yes, red is completed. This is also completed. Now this purple and orange has to come over here. This has to come over here. We will take it. Purple. Oh, this is already aligned. We need not have to disturb. So this face, yellow and baby green. Yellow and baby green is here. It has to come to this place. This is aligned. This is aligned. This is not aligned, but this is also not aligned. Let us take this to here, so that if we take this yellow and baby green, it will be aligned here. So take this. So yellow, and it has to come over here. So let me turn this, and it is already aligned. This is also already aligned. So what I will do is I will take it back. I will move this up, take this and turn this, so that all these three are aligned. Now it has to come yellow and pink in this position. Just change it. So take it back, turn this, because this is aligned, we should not disturb. So take this up and bring to its position. So white is there intact. yellow, yellow, blue. Yellow, blue has to come over here. Simply take it. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. This is almost completed. We have to bring red and dark blue. Red and dark blue. Where it is? Red and dark blue. Red and dark. Oh, it is here only. Red and dark blue. Take like this. Take like this. Align. Bring it. So now red and sober. Red and sober have to find out. Where it is. This is aligned. This is not aligned. This has to come over here. So in this and this has to be exchanged so that this will come to here. So this has to come over here. This has to go there. And this red and sober has to come over here. So first what I will do is, I will take this here, this will come over here. Later I will shift these two. By doing that, at least one side will be aligned. Okay, red and sober has come to their place. Take this up, take this up, bring it to this red. Red is also completed. White will come over here, no problem. So take like this, take like this, and bring it back. So pink and green is here. Green and orange has to come over here. Later we will do that, but they are aligned. How about the pink? So the only place that we have to do is pink. Pink, blue has to come over here. And this has to come over here. Now let me take this yellow to its position first. Not like that. It should be like this. Yes, yellow is completed. And purple, yes. Green is completed. Only thing, it has to be shifted. Now this purple and this has to come over. Let me take that. Once we align all the sides to the respective centers, then we can align all the sides. So this is over. Now aligned portions, let them be there. Let it come over here. This purple blue has to come over here. And this is already aligned. So let me change its position like this. Now if we exchange, this pink will come over, this will come over here. So already aligned things will not be disturbed by using this algorithm. Please note that. They will be shifted from one place to other, but they will be in place. So these two are in place. So this is also in place here, and purple green is also here. Now only thing, we have to reset it. Let me first bring this white here. and pink is here, it has to come over here, it has to go there. So it's already in a position. Just turn this with white. White base, pink and green is completed. Now you take this here, purple is completed, red and blue has to come over here. So what I will do is I will take like this, bring over here and shift like this. So red is also over. Now this has to change and this has to be changed. This is already aligned, this is already. To exchange these two faces, first you take this up, which is aligned. This one is also you take up, rotate 180 degree and take this up. Now this is to be replaced by this. First we will do that. I'll take like this. Yes, purple is also completed. Sober and red has to come over here. Now yellow has to become over here. So let us take this yellow over here, take this here, align this, take it back. So yellow is arranged. Now take this back. This is also arranged. This is also not arranged because these three only have to shifted now. So what I will do is I'll turn this. I'll turn this. Turn this. So this is completed. This is also completed. Now I think we have completed all the faces. You see, let me check up. White. Don't bother about these corners. Later I will show you how to replace them. Pink, yellow, baby or purple, green, baby green, dark blue, red. So everything is arranged. For today's tutorial, I think it is enough. So just remember that algorithm, that is very important. Once you learn that algorithm, bringing the side to their respective center is very easy. Now, the next session, I am going to show you how to shift the corners. Till then, bye.